Hi, it's Niveen with Coldwell Banker, and today I am doing an open house in 16639 Sagebrush, and that's in South Chino Hills. So let's get started on this property tour. So as soon as you come into the door, on the left side, there is this seating area right here. And then to the right side, there is another seating area right here. And then as you walk in here, there is half a bath. It's a big size, good size one. And you have a closet in here. And then you have the living room with the fireplace. And you have a kitchen. The kitchen is a nice space, has a big island. And the house has a pool and a jacuzzi as well, and I want you to see this. It has a view. You can see it actually from upstairs more. We're gonna go upstairs now in a second. Officially fall is here, so it's a little bit windy today and chilly. I like it sunny and warm myself, honestly. On the other side, you see a built-in barbecue, and over here you see like a den office area. And this area is like a breakfast area, okay? It's a beautiful house. If you are looking to upgrade to a bigger house, then this is definitely a great choice. It's 5 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. This is the garage, just 3-car garage. And then we're gonna go upstairs in here to see the bedrooms. It's about 2,800 square foot. Built in 2002, and as you can see, the carpet is a little bit dated, so definitely needs to be changed, but that's not a big deal. I mean, I can help you with that. I've got a great guy that can help you with it. And as soon as you walk upstairs, on the right hand side there is a bedroom with ceiling fan, and then on the other side there is the master suite. This is the master bedroom right here, again, with a ceiling fan. And I want you to see that beautiful, gorgeous Chino Hills view. Look at that, right? It is beautiful. And then, and here is the pool and spa. You can see them better from here. And then over here, it's the walk-in closets for his and hers. This is one, this is the second. And then the master bedroom, bathroom. Okay. And then let's go to, I just want to share with you something. Chino Hills is about 77,000, population of Chino Hills is about 77,000. This is actually a desk area if you have kids. And these are 2 more bedrooms in here. And then a full bath in this one here. Here we go. And then we have the laundry room. As a matter of fact, Chino Hills, the median age in Chino Hills is about 38, which means that it's a family-oriented city. So I've been here for 20 years myself. I love it. And I love the community. It's great to raise kids. This house is close to Wickman Elementary as well as Chino Hills High School. So if you have kids and would like to go to schools, then this is a great location for sure. Also, just something interesting about Chino Hills that I would like to share with you is that 93% of the houses being sold in Chino Hills are sold above market value, which translates to one word: demand. There's a great demand on Chino Hills houses, so I can definitely help you looking for something here or outside. You can submit an offer, and you never know, can get accepted by tomorrow. And then we can open escrow by the day after tomorrow. So give me a call if you have any questions about this house or anything else. My phone number is 909-631-5301. Until next time, bye for now.